is introduction. Infertility is inability to conceive a child within 1 year. It may affect the wife or husband or both. So what causes infertility? There are several causes of infertility that affect there are several causes that affect a man's fertility. Commonly known causes are HIV and AIDS.
Okay. Good.
Some men are not capable of producing right amount of sperm due to illness and injury. May also affect sperm production from the type of birth. Among the uses production smoke is the one involved in this sperm certification. Having daily exercise habit diet and protecting from public diffuse sperm production. You should also avoid drinking alcohol and smoke.
Okay, very good explanation. So number one, limited amount of sperm cells. What is the second rule?
Delivery of sperm very important. One of the reasons in the throat of the life, it may cause a problem for the delivery of the sperm from the penis to the vagina. The way to prevent the development of vaginal cells is unknown. However, it was a doctor and doctors recommend daily use of supportive athletic undergarment.
Yes. Anong tawag doon? Partner, diba? Third.
Abnormal
O, ano ka naman ang boss?
sperm production or function. Most of male infertility is caused by sperm abnormality. Sperm motility can be affected by infection. Repeated exposure to sexual transmitted diseases or STDs can block the sperm passage and would cause scarring.
Next.
Obesity, deficiency in certain nutrients such as vitamin C, selenium, zinc, and folate may be particularly factors for low sperm count in such cases. Vitamin B12 and vitamin E supplements should also be taken to increase sperm activity and production. Being obese or having increased body mass may be associated with fertility problems in men.
Malnutrition and overweight can also be a factor in infertility in males.
Cancer and treatment. Radiation and chemotherapy treatments are some treatments given to cure cancer patients, which are positive things, but it can also give negative effects to